How to fix Ticketmaster app login not working issue. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be showing you how you can fix the Ticketmaster app login not working issue. So if you've been struggling to log in into your Ticketmaster account, we've got some quick and easy solutions to get you back on track. So let's just dive right into the video. The first thing you should do is check your internet connection. Check if you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Sometimes login issues occur because of the poor or intermittent connectivity. So try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your router if needed. If your internet connection is fine, the next step is to restart the Ticketmaster app. Simply close the app. If you have opened the app, you're just going to simply completely close the app from your device. This can help fix minor glitches that may be causing the login issue. If that doesn't work, we can try clearing the app cache and data. For that, long press on the app and go to the info section and just wait and go to the storage and clear the cache of that particular app. This can help resolve any temporary files or settings that may be interfering with the login process. After that is done, make sure you're using the latest version of the Ticketmaster app. If you're not, just go ahead and update the application by going to the Play Store and see if that fixes your bugs and improves the app performance. Sometimes the issue is not on your end. The Ticketmaster service may be down or undergoing maintenance. To check that, you can go to the Ticketmaster official Twitter or use a website like Down Detector to see if others are experiencing similar login issues. If you still can't log in, it may be a good idea to reset your password. On the login screen, you can click on the Forgot Password and follow the prompts to reset it. Make sure you're entering the correct email address associated with your Ticketmaster account. And that is it. These steps should help you fix the Ticketmaster app login not working issue. So if you have tried everything and still can't log in, you may want to contact the Ticketmaster support for further assistance. So if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.